Looter97 here. I've been going through a lot of issues with my OBS alerts and overlays. So today we're just going to be going through all of that, taking care of sound alerts, overlays to make my stream look poppin' for this stream. So hit that follow if I helped you out in any way today, and let's get to it. So I started using sound alerts recently and I don't recommend it. Do not use this. For some reason, notifications are not getting played. So what we're going to be using today is Stream Elements, and then sign in and make sure you link your Twitch. Okay, once you link your Twitch and you're all signed in, go ahead to the left side, hit streaming tool, then go ahead and go to Elements Gallery. Okay, in Elements Gallery you're gonna see a lot of themes and overlays and alerts and good stuff that you can use for your stream. I'm gonna go with Shape Stream Packages by Kudos.tv. Click use theme package, and as soon as I click use theme package, it's gonna save in your elements. You're gonna want to go ahead and grab these scenes by clicking the three dots and copying the URL. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the in-game scene because that's the one I need. Copy URL, go to your OBS, go ahead and add a new source by clicking the plus sign, going to browser, renaming it as theme or whatever you want to name it as, and then pasting the URL with 1920 by 1080 and making sure you refresh browser when scene becomes active. Okay, that's all going to be in that screen. It should pop up right there. Once you got it all like that, grab your camera, drag your camera to the box, go ahead and resize it. Okay, once it's resized and it fixed the box, that's it, you're all done. All right, if you want this right here in the bottom, you can go ahead and keep it. It's basically showing everyone your latest followers and gifters. You can go ahead and take that off in Stream Elements, and up here as well, if you want to go ahead and have your name and what game you're playing right here, you can have it. You can always take that off too, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I don't want that. Go ahead and find the theme that you just put in your OBS, three dots, click edit. Once you're on this screen right here, on the left side click background. On the right side you can see everything that's active right now. So what I'm gonna do is slowly take away all these stuff, cheer text. So I want to go ahead and just save it, publish, and it should update on your OBS because you already added the URL. Go ahead and navigate back to your elements, search for alerts, click the three dots, copy URL, go to your OBS, add source, browser, name it alert. Okay, URL, paste it, keep the width and height the same, and you want to go ahead and refresh browser when scene becomes active. Keep that checked. Press OK. Go ahead and put that wherever you want the alerts to pop up. All right. Once you have the alert box set up on your OBS, whenever someone follows, subscribes, or cheers, or hype chat, or tipped, or rated, all that good stuff, this little icon will pop up as an alert. Okay. You can go ahead and add sound by clicking sound on the right side. Clicking sound. I like that one. All right, and then save it. And that's how you make your stream pop out even more with overlays. Hit that follow. Join the Looter gang today. It's not a gang, it's a family. I appreciate you. Thank you for the support. Peace.